How to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer your Amazon account's gift card balance to another account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to know is that there is no direct way you can make that happen. That is strictly prohibited by Amazon itself. So there is a roundabout way in which you can contact to the customer service and talk to them about it. So to do that, tap on your name on the top right, and after you're there, you will see the customer service. Tap on customer service option. After you tap on it, you will see different topics here. Now let's head over to payment charges or gift cards. And after you're here, you'll need to pick what you need help with. So now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to problem with a gift card. Now after you do that, you will need to head over to applied to wrong account. So tap on that. And as it says right here, it cannot be transferred to another account after it's been redeemed. But let's tap on I need more help. Now you have two options. One is you can directly call them, you can request a call with them and talk to them about it, or you can simply start chatting with them now. So you can do either of these and talk to them about it, and then you will be able to just fix your problem and transfer your balance. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.